My name's Dylan Moot.
I'm Rosie Moot,
Co-owner of Pico Taqueria on Chincoteague Island.
and a 2007 graduate of the IUP Academy of Culinary Arts. At the time when we came to Chincoteague, we decided to start with a food truck and then needed something that was fast, something that we could be creative with.
Right before we opened this place, we had a little travel trip to Spain and just eating through there and like doing tapas and very bright, flavorful profiles.
And my brother and sister-in-law suggested tacos. We were gonna do it with just the four of us, and now we have 37 employees.
Rosie's been the driving force.
From a young age, I've always wanted to open a restaurant. Dylan will work in the morning to get the orders done and to get the day started. We will switch around 3 o'clock, and my day is just to keep things going. We see where our styles are very similar and where our styles are very different. I know that he's the better cook, but he knows that I make better desserts.
Getting out of the culinary school as a young adult, I think we were probably about as prepared as we could have been. They give you all the tools that you have to enter the world, and then from there it's how do you want to expand upon that.
The confidence and the professionalism that it gave me was what I think the most important thing that IUP prepared me for a job in the culinary world. I just want people to know and to realize that if you want to go into the culinary world, you don't have to be stuck working 12 hours a day, 7 days a week. There are so many other options, and you can make a restaurant just doing the food that you want. If you think outside the box a little bit, you can create a life that you really enjoy.